Hi, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So today we are doing this tutorial here. We are going to learn how we can use multiple elastic thread to do a bracelet easily. Most of the time it's very difficult to use multiple elastic thread. This bracelet was done with a single thread, so I'm just going to cut it and use multiple elastic thread. Then at the end of the video I'll introduce the next episode, so make sure you watch to the end so you know exactly what we'll be doing in the next episode. That's my elastic thread and these are the beads I'll be using. I'm just going to thread the whole thing and do it again. So I've threaded my needle already. I'm using a very short thread, like 7 centimeters, and I'm just going to tie a knot. You can tie as many knots as you want, but we won't really need it, so you can just tie 1 or 2 and get rid of the excess thread. You can see the thread is very short, right? Yeah, so I'm just going to get rid of the excess thread, and this is what we have. The thread is very short, really short, and it's double. So I'm just going to destroy the whole bracelet now. Now I'm just getting rid of the single thread. We used black elastic thread earlier. I'm destroying the whole thing and I'm going to do it again. So I'm taking about 30 centimeters thread, so I doubled it and that was about 60 centimeters. So I took like 60 centimeters length of thread and I doubled it and became 30 each. So that's my thread right there. Now I'm going to pass the double thread through the short thread. I don't know if that makes sense. And it becomes 4. So that's what I meant by passing it through the threaded needle. And now you realize your thread is 4, so I'm just going to arrange the beads on it. And yeah, when we are done I'll teach you how you can tie it safely so that you don't ruin your work when you get rid of the excess thread. Now we have 4 threads, so we are going to work with 4 threads. This is the easiest method you can use to use multiple thread for a bracelet, multiple elastic thread for a bracelet. So just watch closely and enjoy the video. And if you really do enjoy the video, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm. It helps my video to be recommended to other people. And thank you so much once again for stopping by my channel. If you are new, please subscribe. This is season 2 of the beading series. We are still on season 2 and this is episode, guys, to be honest with you, I don't remember the episodes we are on. This is episode 21. I had to go back and check. And we are doing 30 amazing designs of bracelets. And you can't miss it. Like, you can't miss it. We've already dealt with season 1. That was about slippers. And we are on season 2, which is about bracelets. We'll finish season 2 very soon and move on to season 3. And you don't want to miss any of this, right? So whilst we are talking, be watching the tutorial. Yeah, I know you are watching. So since you don't want to miss it, then please subscribe, turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment the next episode is uploaded. I'll be trying to upload 4 times in a week: Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. 4 times in a week. I wanted to do it every day, but I realized it's very hectic and very stressful. So I'm just going to stick to Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. So if you want to see new episode, new designs every 2 days, then you are at the right place. Please subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment the next episode is uploaded. And let me leave you to enjoy the video. I think I'm talking too much. So once I'm done arranging them, I'll just go ahead and tie a secured knot and then I'll introduce the next episode. So just enjoy the video. So I'm tying a couple of knots, and you realize when I try to stretch it because the thread is elastic. If you don't stretch it, by the time you cut off the excess thread, the whole work is ruined. So you want to stretch it and make sure if you try to move the knot, it wouldn't move. Then you can go ahead and get rid of the excess thread. And guys, I bring to you episode 21. We are done. It's very, very simple, right? Very, very easy and very, very, very simple as ABCD, like, you know, very, very simple. So this is how it looks like. You can do it for anyone, for a friend, for a birthday, anything, anyone. So go ahead and try it. And yeah, let me know in the comment section how much you think we should sell this. Guys, let me know in the comment section how much you are going to sell it. And I couldn't finish the next episode, so I decided to introduce to you the previous episodes. So I'm going to introduce to you episode 20. Yeah, guys, so this is what we did in episode 20. That's the previous episode, so you can go ahead and check it out. It will be on the screen. You can go ahead and click it and it will take you through episode 20. If you want to see how we did this gorgeous design here, then just go ahead and click on episode 20 and it will take you through. And yeah, I don't know what to say again, but please take care of yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell notification so that you'll be notified the moment the next episode is uploaded. And I'll see you in episode 22, which will be Wednesday. So take care, and I'll see you in episode 22. Bye. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, bye.